Alright guys, this is Ace here, and I'm going to show you how to use MetaMask to be able to get your World Mobile token from base through the Arbitrum bridge to World Mobile Chain and play some drip flip. Alright guys, so you need to make sure you have your Ethereum base so you can shoot that over there. You know, you got to have your gas. Go ahead and make sure you have your custom network set up for World Mobile Chain. As you can see here, I'm going to give you the settings. I'll have them down in the description as well. You want to make sure your chain ID is 869 and your symbol is WMTx. Find the other information for the URLs down in the description. Make sure you copy them exactly how they are. Now we're going to go over to Arbitrum 1, the bridge there. We're going to set it for World Mobile Token, and we're going to set 50 ADA to go from World Mobile Token on base to World Mobile Token on World Mobile Chain. Check the click box saying that you understand and press the move button. Go ahead and agree. You have to spend your ETH a little bit. This is where you have to have your base ETH and accept the transaction in the wallet. Once that is in there, you can go over to your World Mobile Chain and check and see. We now have 60 World Mobile token there. Go over to the browser function and type in dripflip.hydrodrip.io and it will take you over to our drip flip game. It is your traditional token flip. Every token flip gives 5% to the progressive jackpot and 5% to the revenue. You want to make sure that when you start over here, you attach your World Mobile Chain section, not the base section, and then press the play button. At the very bottom, you'll have the button that goes from play to real. Select World Mobile Chain, select your wallet, go to MetaMask, and connect your MetaMask. Once your MetaMask is connected, then you'll be able to go down to add tokens, and we're going to add 50 tokens here. So we're going to add 50 World Mobile tokens to drip flip to play, and we're going to confirm that transaction. Once that transaction goes through, the system will add it to it. It doesn't take very long, maybe 5 seconds or so, and then you'll be able to bet. Each bet runs off chain. You don't need to do a new transaction each different time, and whenever you're ready to remove, just go to the redeem, type in how much you want to redeem, and press the redeem button. It is send it out. No transaction needs to be signed either. Here we are, we're playing one token each time, betting heads and tails. As you can see, I did not do very well, but the bucket at the top that the water is dripping in is gaining by every drip and every flip. Once that bucket is full and you do win, it will give you the opportunity of engaging into the bonus game. The bonus game is a roulette. You get one ball, one chance, no 1 through 12, no evens or odds, one whole number, and if you get that right, then you get the entire progressive jackpot. If you do lose, then whatever was there gets added back, and we keep adding to the progressive jackpot. As you can see, that is the celestial spin. I pick 33, and the ball goes around. And did we win? No, we did not win. But since it was the same color, we did get 2x of our payout instead of just the 1.8x win. Come and join us.
Drip flip, baby. Thank you very much.